440.60, certainly part of a range of resistance, but the more significant is in the low 450s. In any event, it was the testing of this structure as a target within 2 to 3 months of testing 349.97. And now that we've tested 444.60, there is the very real possibility we could fall back over the next month or two into the 349.97 area and climbing. I've been mentioning how we could trade inside this band for the next few months, perhaps. We've come off of this resistance area pretty well. We're also using, of course, and this is the weekly chart, 453.29 to 453.91, combination channel resistance, able to contain buying through next week and even through June, and once again below which, what is now at 349.97 and climbing, considered a 1 to 2 month target. Of course, on the way down, we do have 381.49. That is not to be ignored, but there is a rising channel bottom we've been telling you about at 400.57 today, and we just might see this today. It is a meaningful downward continuation point to 349.97. If we were to close below 400.57, I do think we've got a good high for the month of May, and by the end of June, we see the 349.97 as likely. On a intraday basis, I've got two soft levels, 422 and 432.86. I think if we close today above 422 even, that's a gap close. If we close above it, we probably have a good low for the day. Yes, we've got 432.86, et cetera, but as I look at this chart, I think with the aggressive sell-off that has played out over the last few days, closing above 422 even does carry with it a momentum reversal that should, within 3 to 5 days, result in retesting this low 450s resistance. So bottom picking 400.57, anticipating upward rotation within 1 to 2 weeks back into the low 450s. So 400.57 is really our key pivot point as we move through the rest of May inside of what is resistance in the 450s and support in the 340s. So if we do close today below 400.57, we should see 381.49 within just a few days, and that would probably contain selling pressures for the rest of the week. But I do think that if we close today below 400.57, we can expect bearish continuation over the next 3 to 5 weeks or sooner, where one should cover any short position and consider reversing and aggressively pursuing the long side of the market as we can continue then through the rest of the year above 349. I do think a settlement today above 422 even does carry with it the low 450s again within the week. If we do close the week above the 453.91 area, we enter a new phase of longer-term bullish continuation over the following 2 to 3 months. I would expect the 541.84 long-term channel top.